Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, welcome. Today, we embark on a journey through the chronicles of history, exploring a civilization whose influence echoes through the corridors of history into our modern world. We delve into the profound impact of Roman law on the tapestry of our contemporary legal systems. Join me as we unravel the intricate threads of how Roman law has shaped the very foundation of our modern society. As we stand on the precipice of this exploration, let me pose a question to you. Have you ever pondered the origins of our legal principles, the bedrock upon which justice is built? In this quest for understanding, we find ourselves inexorably drawn to the shores of ancient Rome, where the seeds of legal thought were sown, cultivated, and eventually disseminated across continents and centuries. The Roman Empire, with its vast expanse and enduring legacy, left an indelible mark on the development of law and governance. At its zenith, Rome was not only a colossus of military might, but also a crucible of legal innovation. It was within the hallowed halls of Roman jurisprudence that concepts such as equality before the law, the presumption of innocence, and the sanctity of contracts were enshrined. One of the most enduring legacies of Roman law lies in its influence on property rights. The Romans developed a sophisticated system of property law that emphasized ownership, possession, and transferability. Concepts such as dominium, full ownership, and usucapio, acquisition of ownership through continuous possession, laid the foundation for modern property law principles. Furthermore, Roman legal concepts surrounding contracts and agreements provided the framework for property transactions that are still in use today. The Roman understanding of property rights, including the protection of individual ownership and the enforcement of contractual obligations, continues to shape the legal systems of many nations around the world. Roman legal thought not only influenced substantive legal principles, but also played a significant role in the development of civil law systems. During the Middle Ages, Roman law texts were rediscovered and studied in European universities, leading to the emergence of legal scholars known as glossators and commentators. These scholars interpreted and analyzed Roman legal texts, paving the way for the creation of legal codes and the establishment of civil law traditions across Europe. The Justinian Code, compiled under the Byzantine Emperor Justinian I, served as a comprehensive compilation of Roman law principles and became a foundational document for legal education and practice in Europe. The systematic organization and logical structure of Roman law provided a model for the codification of legal systems, shaping the civil law traditions that prevail in many countries today. Beyond the realm of law, Roman legal concepts have also left an indelible mark on modern governance and political theory. The principle of rule of law, which emphasizes the supremacy of legal norms over arbitrary rule, can trace its roots back to Roman jurisprudence. The idea that laws should be applied equally to all citizens, regardless of their status, reflects the Roman ideal of impartial justice. Moreover, the concept of constitutionalism, which advocates for the limitation of governmental power through legal frameworks, finds resonance in the Roman Republic's system of checks and balances. The enduring legacy of Roman legal concepts in modern governance underscores the enduring relevance of ancient legal principles in contemporary society. Central to the codification of Roman law was the seminal work known as the Corpus Juris Civilis, or the Body of Civil Law, compiled under the auspices of Emperor Justinian in the 6th century AD. This monumental undertaking synthesized centuries of legal thought, statutes, and precedents into a cohesive framework that would endure for millennia to come. Roman law also exerted a profound influence on the development of criminal law and concepts of justice. The Roman legal system introduced foundational principles that continue to shape criminal justice systems worldwide. The notion of mens rea, or the requirement of a guilty mind, was integral to Roman criminal law, emphasizing the importance of intent in determining culpability. Additionally, Roman legal procedures, such as the adversarial trial system and the presumption of innocence, served as precursors to modern criminal justice practices. The Roman emphasis on evidence, the right to a fair trial, and proportionate punishment laid the groundwork for contemporary legal norms aimed at safeguarding individual rights and ensuring due process. The enduring legacy of Roman criminal law underscores its enduring impact on the pursuit of justice in the modern world. The enduring legacy of Roman law lies not merely in its antiquity, but in its adaptability and universality. From the civil law systems of continental Europe to the common law traditions of the Anglo-Saxon world, traces of Roman jurisprudence are discernible in the very DNA of our legal systems. The principles of equity, jurisprudence, and legal reasoning, honed in the crucible of Roman courts, continue to guide the administration of justice in courts around the globe. But beyond the realm of statutes lies a deeper legacy, a legacy of ideals and principles that transcend the temporal confines of empires and epochs. The Romans bequeathed to us a vision of law not merely as a tool of coercion, but as a bulwark of justice, tempered with wisdom and tempered with mercy. In the mosaic of human civilization, the influence of Roman law endures as a testament to the enduring power of ideas. It is a reminder that in the flux of history, amidst the rise and fall of empires, certain truths remain immutable: the inherent dignity of the individual, the quest for justice, and the pursuit of the common good. As we reflect on the profound impact of Roman law on the world stage, let us heed the lessons of history. Let us honor the legacy of those ancient jurists and lawmakers who, in their wisdom, forged the chains of justice that bind us together as a global community. In conclusion, let us remember that the echoes of Rome reverberate not merely in the marble ruins of antiquity, but in the very fabric of our legal and moral conscience. May we, as custodians of this noble legacy, strive to uphold the principles of justice, equality, and the rule of law in our own time and for generations yet unborn. Thank you.